All right, the drink we're about to make is called Alabama Fizz. Let's go ahead and put some ice in a glass here and measure out 2 ounces of gin. There's 1 and 2. Next, we will add sour mix. Go ahead and add about an ounce of sour mix. And you can just give those a quick shake. And get a glass and pour in your first 2 ingredients. And the last thing we're going to do to give it that fizz is top it off with some club soda. There it is. And I'll add a straw and give it a lemon. And that's all there is to it. The Alabama Fizz, a nice fizzy drink to enjoy on a hot summer day in Alabama, or anywhere else for that matter. Bottoms up.